Hi guys, this is Wake Up Call. Welcome to my new video. And as you know, we're gonna talk about how to make money on the internet. In the last video, we talked about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, and now we're gonna talk about stock market. Of course, if you wanna make money, you need to come to the stock market and do trades there, do investments there. It's one of the ways to make money on the internet, real money, not scams and all other stuff that you have on the internet. Get rich very soon. But you can also get rich very soon with the stock market if you know what are you doing. If you don't know what are you doing, you're gonna lose money. It's the way with every investment. So you don't need to be a broker. You don't need to have license for doing the trade in the stock market. Now, in this digital age, all you need is your laptop. All you need is your iPhone, and you can trade shares. There's an app that you can download. It's very easy. It's called WeBull, and you got link in description. If you click that link, and if you donate just $5 your deposit for this WeBull, you will get 2 free shares. And it depends of WeBull what kind of shares they will give you. You can win one share of $1,000, or you can win a share of $10. It's the way they do it. But just with $5 deposit, you will get 2 shares, which is very good offer. Also, you can trade on Robinhood, on there's a different kind of apps you can trade on the stock market. And then when you go up, all you need to do is to connect with your bank, of course, and deposit money that you like to trade. And you need some kind of knowledge of the stocks. You probably know most of the companies, so if you like to do this investment to be more safe to you, you can go with the tech companies like Apple, Tesla, and all others. They're always gaining something, but sometimes they're losing. It goes in a wave, you know? The wave is like that. And sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down. The thing with trading and with cryptocurrencies and with stocks is for you to buy it in the lower price when on the chart it's down, and to go up, and when it's up you can sell it, not reverse. But you're making a guess, so it's a little bit like a gambling, but it's not gambling if you're playing safe. So like I told you, there are some companies that you can more sure companies that you can invest and wait in a long term. Maybe you like dividends. They're gonna pay you different kind of dividends. Some company pays 5%, some 6, some 4, some 3. If you keep that for 3 months, half a year, or a year, so you will get a dividend. Doesn't matter what is the price of the share. The price can go up, the price can go down, but you will get dividends if you like to invest in long-term investment. But if you like to make money fast, you need to know what stocks are going very fast in a very little period of time. You need to know how to watch charts. This is very important. And then and that you can see it with a little bit experience. When you're gonna go on the stock markets with some months, 3, 4, 5, somebody will need 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, seeing charts, seeing stocks, investing in this, investing in that. So you can see how the things are going. Basic thing that you need to know is the 2 big stocks, which is Dow Jones and Nasdaq. So you're seeing, if you're seeing these two major stocks, is the way the stock market is gonna go. It's gonna go up if this Dow Jones is going up, and the whole market and the most of the stocks will go down when they're going down. So this is how you can see where the stock market goes. Is it going up or is it going down? But there's millions of companies. That's the good thing. With Bitcoin, you have just Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, 6 or 10 Bitcoin cryptocurrencies that you can trade, and those are just the charts. But when you come on the stock markets, you got millions of different stocks, millions, billions. So every stock has their own charts, graphics, and you can see how the price is going up or the price is going down. And this kind of trading is just you're making a guess that the whole stock market is gonna go up or the stock market is gonna go down. If it goes so much down, then the market crashed. So you will lose most of your money, most percent of your money. But if the stock market is going up, you will gain a lot of money. So when this thing, we can talk a year and a half that we have. With this thing, first when it appears in March 2020, the stock market went down. So the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq index were very, very much down. And that was the time of the investment that we missed it. That was the best time because most of the shares went down. The market crashed actually. Not so much like a recession, depression and everything, but the market still crashed because these shares and most of the stocks on the stock market went down. And that was the best time to buy different kind of stocks if you had money. But like most of the people, after that, there were benefits. You can go to the work, but you can claim unemployment, and unemployment money was coming. And now a lot of people have money because even if the companies didn't work, you can claim some kind of loans that will give you a lot money to your company, and now you have money. Now people have a lot of money, and after that, a year and a half now, all the way the stock markets after that crash went up. So now the stock market is so up. It's in the bubble. It's so up. But still you can make money. Still you can make money if you know in what stocks you want to invest. And to know in what stocks you need to invest is you have to see how the stock market goes. So if you go in WeBull and you click the planet there, the second symbol is the planet, and it takes you to the whole world, especially to the United States, and you see every day who are the best gainers and the best losers, and you will see especially the volume of the stocks, which is very important. When the volume is up, means a lot of people are buying that stock. So a lot of people are investing money in that stock. So the price of that share goes up. So the chart goes up, and you're making money. You're making money when the chart goes up, because you're betting that it's gonna go up. And when it's so much up, it depends of you. When you like to take your profit, when you like to take your money, you're gonna just sell that stock immediately, The stock market is working from 9:30 to 4 p.m. The Wall Street is working that time. But you're on your laptop, on your iPhone, on your cell phone. In that time, you will see you will make buy, sell, and doing business with stocks. So you don't need a license, you don't need special companies, you don't need to pay some people that will do this for you, buy this stock, sell this stock. You don't need to call them on the phone and stuff. All you need is this app. And then you will see who are the top gainers and who are the top losers. Okay, so this is the stock market. In the next video, I will talk about some of the companies for the short selling, the swing selling, swing stock selling, which is very interesting now, and especially the meme stocks like GMC and INC. I was checking. Yeah. So IMC. Yeah, the cinemas. So those are the meme stocks. We're gonna talk about that, and I'm gonna tell you in my experience what stocks did I bought and what stocks did I sell. Those are not meme stocks. Those are stocks that I found with my experience on the stock market, and I got some money in a short period of time, like 6 months. I've gained like $3,000, which is not bad, not worse. At the beginning, in the first 3-4 months, I was losing $2,000, but after I gained like $5,000, so I'm in a plus now. So see you with other videos. Wake Up Call is here. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on our videos, and tell me, what do you think? Do you like to invest in the stock market? Are you investing in the stock market? What is your experience in the stock market? And what are your top stocks? In a different video, we're gonna talk about top stocks. And now in the link below, you can just with $5 deposit in WeBull. If you click that link, WeBull is giving you 2 free shares, and those shares can be $100 or something. It depends on the WeBull. Thank you very much. See you with other videos.